Hello student and welcome to your online classes. So today video is about adjectives. So in this video we will discuss about the adjective chapter and what is the adjectives, kinds of adjective, form of the possessive adjective. And this video I will explain you in detail all the kinds of adjectives, and after this video I will give you some exercise. So these exercises you do in your copy, write very neat and clean, and you read it from your book also when I start the video, so you look at in your book. So without wasting our time we will start our video. So we will see the adjectives. What is adjectives? Words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Example: Shalu has short hair. Vivek has bought a new motorcycle. The curtains of the room are dirty. Navneet is a hard-working boy. Can you pull out a book from the top shelf? So this above sentence like a short, new, dirty, hard-working, and up are adjectives. An adjectives qualify a noun or a pronoun. You can see here. So I hope you understand this. So once again I explain on this other words definition. Words which describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Or describing noun. Adjective are placed before noun or a pronoun. For example, already I show you here, and like our hero won a black jacket. I have 5 friends. She has silky hairs. Baby brings little milk. She is sitting in the red car. Like this one, more examples are there. So now when we are talking about the kinds of adjectives here, so here so your adjectives are there. May I divide it into the following classes. Adjective like quality, yani honest, talk, quantity, some or much, number, defined and definite or indefinite, yani definite meaning first, second one, first, like that, and the indefinite any many or few. Demonstrative like this, that. Interrogative what and which type question. Distributive each and either, and possessive my or will. So now we will discuss in details this all that. So adjective of quality, an adjective which talks about the quality of things or a pronoun, person is known as the adjective of quality. For example, he is a poor fellow. Grandmother told us a funny stories. The Pacific is a large ocean. So Assamese is a region's language. Tanya's hair is curly. So these sentences, poor, funny, religions, large and curly, tell us of what kind of person or thing is. These are adjective of quality. In adjective of quality we will see which type of person this, okay, and which type of hair that one, like this one we will see here in this adjective of quality. So already I explained here about the adjective of quality. Okay, so I hope you understand this. What is that one? So once again I explain you about adjective of quality. Tell about what kind, okay, like slippery, hard, beautifully, gentle, kind, good, angry, bright, calm, blunt, rich, straight. These are your adjective of quality. Like the hungry cats are crying. So which type of cat is there? It's hungry. Heavy rain is expected in the morning. So which type of rain is expected here? So heavy. I saw an interesting movie last night. So which type of movie you have seen? Interesting movie. Okay. So I hope you cleared this all the things. Adjective of quality. So your next one, adjective of quantity. So adjective of quantity tell us about the how much. Okay, quantity adjective are used with uncountable nouns like little, some, few, many, any, enough, whole, all, half, no, sufficient, etc. Like give me some milk. Okay, so give me some milk. So some is our quantity. Okay, and few liters of oil left in tank. So how many liters left? Few. So these are the example of that. You can see in the book also. Like adjective of quantity and adjectives which talks about the quantity of things known as adjective of quantity. You can say here in your book. Read these following sentences. My brother earned enough. Okay. Akhilesh adds some rice. There is a little milk in the glass. A half holiday is better than a none. There is a much water in the river. So in this above sentence, the words enough, some, half, little and much talk about much of things. They are the adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity answer the question how much. How much water is there? Some. Yeah, how much Akhilesh add rice? So some, like this. I hope you understand this. So I now we will discuss the next one about that one. Third one is adjective of number. Adjective of number which give the exact number. Okay. Adjective number tell about how many. Yeah, countable noun. Like adjective of number is used with countable nouns. You can see here. An adjective which talks about the number of things or person is known as the adjective of number. Okay, so they have 3 children and I saw 4 cars in showroom. My friend has 3 kittens. He scores 73 marks in English. She is 10-year old. I need 2 hours to finish my test. So you can see here more example in your book also. Alicia gave me 6 mangoes. Radha has many toys. She stood first in the class. All the students appeared in the examination. There was none in the room. So in this above sentence says the word 6 many, first all, none show how many person or thing are mean. These are the adjective of number. So adjective of number answer the question how many. Just say how many mangoes Alicia gave me? 6 mango. How many Radha toys? How many Radha has many toys she has? Many toys. Okay. So definite numerals adjective denote exact number like 1, 2 and indefinite numeral adjective do not denote an exact number, because in adjective number we see the 2 types, definite or indefinite. Okay, I hope you clear this. So now we will discuss next one, our distributive numeral adjectives. Now we are talking about the 4th one, distributive numeral adjective like each, either, every, neither, nor, either or, like this one called the distributive numeral. Distributive numeral adjective. Okay, like each boy took his turn. Every word of it is false. So these are the distributive numeral. It's not refer to each one of number. So these are the distributive numeral adjective. Now we are talking about the demonstrative adjectives. So these are the adjectives that points out the person or thing we are speaking about is known as a demonstrative adjective. Like this girl is very beautiful. We are pointing out this. Yeah, that girl is very beautiful. This snake is poisonous. These mangoes or oranges are sour. So those are things we are point out and thing or person. So it's called a demonstrative pronoun. This and that, those are things very near. Okay, and these and those are far. This and these. This is a singular one. These is a plural one. This is a one, and that means those are far than that one. So in this above sentence, the word that, those, this, and these point out which person thing is mean. Okay, these are the demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative adjective answers the question which one. So suppose I ask you which one girl is beautiful. You said that one. We are talking about that one girl only. Okay. So note this and that are used with singular noun, and these and those are used plural nouns. So I hope this one also clear you. So we will see the next one. So I hope it clear is. And demonstrative point out the noun, and demonstrative adjective always come before the word it's modified. Like this house is very beautiful. Give me that book, like that one. For example of this. So the sixth one is your interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective which asks a question when you use with the noun is called interrogative adjectives. Like it's used with noun to ask question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. Okay, you can see the example here. So whenever we ask question, then we use interrogative adjective. Sorry, interrogative adjective. Like what, which, who, these are the, and they must be followed by the noun or a pronoun. Okay. So like whose purse is that? So purse is a noun, and whose is the place of noun. Okay. So whose is that the interrogative adjective. What bird is this? Which book is yours? So these are the adjective, interrogative adjective. Clear all of you? So now you see that one, possessive adjective. So possessive adjective, the definition is, so possessive adjective shows possessions of belongings, ownership. Okay, like for example, his car is parked outside. Okay, our job is almost done. So his and ours are our possessive one. So you can see here, like an adjective does show the possession or belonging is called a possessive adjective. Like this is my bag. So my, your, their, her, its, and his, is, all those words are the possessive adjective. And possessive adjective are always used before a noun. So I hope you cleared this. And this is the forms of the possessive adjectives you can see in your book. Like different forms of possessive adjectives, first person, second person, third person, you have know very well. So this is your singular possessive and plural one. First person in singular, my, and plural, our. Second person, your, and third plural one, your. Third person, his, masculine line, her for feminine, its neuter gender, neuter, and therefore all genders. I already taught you the gender also. So this is the form of the possessive adjective. So now we will do the exercise. So this is your first exercise. Make adjectives from the following nouns. Nouns already given to you like this. You write the adjective here. Okay, and do this one in your copy. Now second exercise, fill-ups with the correct adjectives from the brackets. Already option given to you. You fill it. It is 4 and 5 is there. You can see here. Option already given you. Correct adjectives you fill here. Okay. And now your next exercise is pick out the possessive adjectives. Like she is my friend. Vicky. Ritu is posing her brother Raju. Like this words are there. You just write down on your copy and pick out the possessive adjective. You can do one thing, you write the possessive adjective, otherwise you underline the possessive adjective. So these are all the exercise which one you have do in copy. and next video we will discuss the next topic, the same chapter. So till then you do this all the work, okay, and write in your copy very clearly, and I will give you in the class note also. So please complete it this, and whatever way I taught you in this video, you read it in your book and understand. If you're not clear any topic or any point, so you can ask me. I will help you to tell this one. Okay, so till then you complete these exercises in your copy and write all the definitions. Then next video I will explain about the uses of adjective. So till then you take care.